Coastal carpet pythons typically prey on birds and small mammals. They wrap themselves around their prey, slowly suffocating them. But this snake has taken on more than it can chew, much more. The lace monitor lizard is Australia's second largest lizard. They can grow to 7 feet in length and have a powerful set of jaws. Why the python doesn't move on is anyone's guess. It remains wrapped around the lizard's legs, while slowly taking mortal blows to the body and then the head. Stubborn and relentless, yet it'll not survive this battle. Here in Australia, one day you're the predator, the next day you're the prey.